keep forgetting. Good morning. We are going to Manila for our Japan flight. And yeah, currently we're waiting for our plane. And ayun, we'll see you sa Naiya. We are now in Manila, galing Dumaguete. And we're on our way to pick up our what? Our luggages and then transfer sa taas. We got our luggages here and then we're going up now para pumila sa check-in. Have to drop our bags there. So yeah, see you in a while. ID? I'm gonna walk around. Look at the star as in the night. How do you think collections comply? How do you think I'm the girl? Oh my God, nasa dulo. I got gadgets and placements and plenty. I got whoozes and wazzes galore. This is Singapore Airlines, business class. Ha! Business class too. Oh, the mic is with me. So madungog ko. Look at the star. Isn't it neat? I got gadgets and gizmos aplenty. I got whoos galore. Dumagati. Japan. Asan?
Narita.
Japan. Asan? Narita. That's 820.
What's ours?
Uh,
Tangina.
what does it say? We're not Narita, we're Kansai.
Kansai.
828. 5J828. 5J828. Let's wait for the next one. Here. Narita. Osaka. 828. D10 to 15. Come on. Wait, D? Ten? Go. Look at this star. Welcome to our Gasto Escapade. Oh, it's one line. We're done checking our bags. Tony's throwing trash. And we are now going to immigration, which is Walay Tao. 2 lines, 2 rows. So this will be quick. Yun lang. Bye-bye. Tapos na immigration, tapos kumuha kami ng wifi dito. Kasi nagpa-reserve ako dyan. Tapos, para walang hassle. Kasi pag saka pa kami kukuha, baka matagal yung dating ng plane. So, hindi ako abot sa pag-pick up. So, convenient pag dito lang. Kasi nasa airport. Kumuha ko na dito dati yung when did we use one? Hong Kong? Singapore? Singapore. I think. Hong Kong or Singapore? I forgot. Yeah, I think Singapore. Ayun. So after this, akit kami punta sa lounge. And then 1 PM daw yung boarding. Ayun lang. Bye-bye. So we're done getting the Wi-Fi. Here's the Wi-Fi. Here's the Wi-Fi because she wants to show. We're going up sa lounges. Hopefully it's not full so that we can lounge in the lounge area. And I think 3, but we'll see. If it's 3, then good. If it's
Bring our camera.
yeah, I think so.
Really good.
So dito kami ngayon sa Marhaba Lounge because puno ang parks. And then our boarding time is 1 p.m. pa. So wait here because it's free food. And we like free stuff. So yeah, what was asked of you sa immigration?
My work and when I will go back.
For work and when we'll be back. Yeah, same. They asked me
Baby tech school.
they asked me kailan ang balik. That's it. So it's not maybe because they saw na we've been traveling. So no more questions. Oh no. Wala masyadong tanong. Yeah.
Code love code.
Yeah, you have to do it. And yeah, that's it. And then we took the Wi-Fi and then we're here. We went up. Sa lounges. That's it.
What is this?
Very fast. It's cheese. It's good. Try it. Try it. It's good. It's
I'm
good.
eating this.
No, try it.
I'm eating this.
So yan. See you sa boarding. Naliligaw na kami. Hindi, joke lang. Ano daw? Nag-change yung gate namin from 114 to 116. And now we're rushing because it's almost 1. 1 daw yung boarding. So, yeah. We'll see you sa Kansai na. Okay? Okay. Bye-bye. We are now 12 po. Sige po. Thank you po. We are now boarding and we're a plane ride to Japan. Ayun lang. And I'm very enthusiastic.
You don't know how to spell that.
Yeah, spell enthusiastic. Okay na lang.
Nakikiusapan po lamang namin ang lahat na ilagay upang inyong mga daladalahan. Ang anumang bagay na maaaring mahulog tulad ng flash, numbers, at electronic devices bago ilagay sa ulo ng kompartamento. Maraming salamat po.
Oh, we get a window.
Ladies and gentlemen, the aircraft is being refueled.
Are you gonna put anything?
Precaution. Please unfasten your
Are you sure you're gonna put
and
anything?
put your seat back upright. Use of electronic devices such as laptops, mobile phones, tablets for safety
Wala kaming
in the
katabi.
global airline industry.
Hanggang sa gitna. So, hihiga kami sa dalawang gitna. Business class. Tinan mo to. Mamaya to, wala nang energy to. Nasa Manila pa lang kami, masakit na pa ako. Oh, it's cold. We're now in Kansai International. What's it? Osaka. Yeah.
International airport.
It's, what time is it?
We don't have another thing.
It's, oh, the mic.
Sophie, don't
7-Eleven.
Look fucking brown.
It's like Korea. Where's my mic?
Say hi.
Hello. Very nice. Very cold. Not really cold, but it's cold. So 7:11 p.m. and then immigration. Come here. Sorry. Gotta go to the immigration. Kasi yung kasama ko. Naiiwan. Naiiwan. So, after immigration, titingnan pa sana hindi marami tao kasi ayun nga, naghahabol kami ng oras. Ayun lang, welcome to Japan! Let's go, bish! Yeah. It's cold. Dito so cold. Wait lang, wala ko yung sintas there, I forgot. Yung habis.
So nice.
The cold is brown.
Baby. Hi.
Hello. So may train ride pa. Papunta dun sa immigration. Kailangan daw timing. So yun guys, tapos na sa immigration, mabilis lang. Tinanong lang ako, sabi, gwapo ba raw ako? Sabi ko, of course.
You put the mic now.
Oh, yan. So yeah, mabilis lang. Ano lang, pagkababa kasi ng aeroplano, binilisan namin mga punta dun sa immigration para konti lang tao. So yun, pagdating namin, kami yung first. And then, ano lang, scan ng QR, and then, yung finger, index finger, dalawa ganun, scan, and then picture. Tapos na. Yun lang. Then now we're getting our luggages. I think walang camera here still. So I'm gonna turn this off now. Bye! So yung guys, tapos na. After namin makuha yung luggage, mga 30 minutes namin inintay bago nakuha yung luggage. Tapos, may customs. I-scan lang yung QR tsaka passport. So, okay na. Ayun lang. Nasa labas na kami. Ayan o, yung beach. Where's Tony? Wala na naman kasama ko. Oh. Gusto ata nito mamasyal mag-isa eh. I need to find the ATM. ATM ang sunod. Para may cash tayo. Here. So yun, nakapag-withdraw na. Ayun yung ATM, nandun sa likod. Ayan. Pagkalabas yun ng immigration, right side, andun yung ATM. So ngayon, excuse, akit kami sa train. Sakay kami ng Kansai, Anang, Rapid, going to Namba.
I'm okay.
Tingnan natin kung kaya natin yung lamig. Kasi kung hindi, it hurts. Pag akit dyan, kakanan. Tapos doon na yung mga tren. Kaya yung lamig? Hindi.
I haven't
Naka-t-shirt lang ako. Naka-t-shirt lang siya. Oh.
You haven't felt it yet.
Parang ano lang, parang aircon ko lang sa bahay. Ah. So, medyo magmamadali kami kasi habol namin yung tren namin papuntang Tokyo. Ayan na. Paglabas dito, and then train station. Oh shit! Ang lamig! Ang ginaw, men! Kaya lang, medyo kumikirot, pero hindi ganun kakirot. Siguro para kasi nampal ng matagal. Yung sampal, pag sampal na gano'n, nakadikit lang. Hindi tinatanggal. Yung gano'n kasakit. So, pero kaya lang. Hindi siya gano'n, ano, sisiyo. So, yun lang. Magiging busy ako kasi kuha ko ng ticket. Ako mag-handle. So, bigay ko kay Tony itong camera. Sige. Ayan o. Siya na bahala sa inyo. So, first kong kukunin is yung Osaka to Tokyo namin. Kunin ko muna yung Osaka to Tokyo bago ako bumili ng Panamba. So, papahintayin ko lang si Tony dito. 5-4. Stay here. Stay here, I'm gonna get the ticket. First, I'll get the Tokyo to... I'm talking here.
Okay.
I can be heard. And then, I'm gonna get the Tokyo to... Osaka to Tokyo. Yes. Sa kabila pala. May pila para dito. So, yun. Ang kunin ko yung Osaka to Tokyo na ticket kasi nagpa-reserve ako online. So, JR yun eh. So, unahin ko muna yun. Then after that, bibili ako ng Namba to Kansai to Namba. So, bili ako later after this. Tama siya. Video. Hindi niya tinitingnan ko Yan. Yan, sapatos niya tinitingnan. Doraemon daw yung sapatos niya. Yan, tapos akin tatotok. So, English. Tapos, receive. Tama ba? Receive. Tapos, ito. Tapos, insert card. Ito yung ginamit ko na card. Then, insert. Then, I think i-input ko yung code ko nito.
Now checking.
May password yun. Yan o. Yun yung nilagay ko na code. Yan. Saan ba isa to? Issue.
Please don't forget your card and ticket. If you need a receipt, press the receipt button.
Okay.
Issuing tickets
Kumuha ko ng
now.
receipt.
Please don't forget your card and ticket. Issuing tickets now. Please don't forget your... Please take your
Card
card.
is out.
Please take your ticket. Thank you very much.
Ticket is here. Okay. Tapos ko na i-claim yung Tokyo to... Osaka to Tokyo namin na ticket. Sunod is, ito. Nandito ako sa bilihan ng Namba. So, papuntang Namba. Kansai to Namba. Bibili ako. Yun yung sunod na ticket. Very good. Nakabili na kami.
Namba is where?
Namba is the central Osaka na thing.
Then after Namba, we will go to Tokyo.
Yeah, but muadto pa ta sa Osaka na station to go to Tokyo. That's 12:13 na train. Okay, but we need to go there 11. So, you go first. Insert that there. Here, like this. Yan. Yan, yeah, go. Yan, pick it up, then exit. So, yun. Ganun lang. Pagkabili ng ticket ng Skyrapid, ng Rapid, okay na. Ang biyahe namin is 9.5 pa. 9.6. So, careful lang. You have to go. So, yun. Hintayin na lang namin to. Car number 6, seat number 21, 22. Right? Is yours 22? Where's yours? You have to hide it. Dili ka ka-exit if wala ka na. Yeah. Car number 3 to 6. See? May mga number dito. We are car number 6. Come on, babe. It's cold. They're cleaning it pa, look. So, nililinis pa nila yung train. And then, after linisin, pwede na kami sumakay. What? Excuse me, gani? Sumimasen? Sumimasen! This is the train? For this? Thank you! Arigato! Dito na kami sa train. Nalagay na namin yung bagahe namin dito. Yan yung sa akin. Pasok na kami. We are number 22? 21? Seat 21. Pinaka-front. 21, 22.
Just put our luggages here.
Do you want to?
Yeah.
Okay.
But it's okay. You wanna put the luggages here?
Do you want to? You can do.
Yan siya na.
Very stressful. Okay. We are now seated. Nasa train station pa lang kami. Sakit na ng paa ko.
Those are not walking shoes.
Yeah. These are walking shoes na bili na ni. Kasi they'll be walking. We weren't able to buy food. What time is it? 10 minutes pa. Yun lang. See you guys on Amba. I like this train. It has a big window. Like 787.
It's not on.
Mandar na yung train. Exactly 9:06.
皆様
Ganun sila
お
ka
待たせいたしました
on time dito.
本日は
Ang sarap ng
南
buhay.
海電鉄をご利用くださいましてありがとうございます。
Dito na kami, Namba. Namba Station. Tapos, ano ba gagawin namin? Hindi ko alam gagawin namin. After this, siguro, kain. Oh, there's Tony. Nag-padded jacket na ako ang ginawa kanina pagbaba. So, after this, kain siguro kami. We'll see. Wala kaming plano eh. Pumunta lang kami dito. Tapos yun na yun. Sige. See you later, guys. Bye-bye. So now, we are going to Dotonbori. We'll just find food there, I guess. So we'll be back here mga 11, okay? 11. Balik kami dito kasi punta kami ng Tokyo. Tokyo. Ng Umeda Station, papunta ng Tokyo. Ayun. Welcome to Osaka. Come on. Dahil lang kami dito. Siguro pa-picture lang kami doon sa Glico. Tapos alis na rin kami. Sa ano na kami kakain? Sa Umeda siguro. Sa Umeda kasi. Ay, Yoshinoya. So, hindi na siguro kami makakain dito. Siguro, daan lang kami. Balik na lang kami dito next time. Kasi wala talaga namin sa plano na magstay dito sa Osaka. Daan lang talaga. Kasi mas mura yung ticket dito eh. Mas mura. Ha? Mas mura yung okay lang. Mas mura yung ticket papunta rito. Tapos makaka-experience pa kami ng Shinkansen. Wow, grabe! So many things happening. Ang daming tao. Ang daming tao, men. Picture lang kami dito. Salis na kami. Para lang patunay na nag-Osaka kami. You okay? Ayan, nag-picture na si Tony. Dito lang kami sa may Glycosine. Pipicture lang kami dito sa... Sorry. Ayan na. Glycosine. Ayan. So, pipicture lang kami dito, tapos alis na kami. Ayun.
Maybe take a picture here. You smile, okay? Come on.
What? Nasa Japan na kami. Akalain mo yun. Kanina tumatay lang ako sa Pilipinas. Ngayon nasa Japan na kami. Akalain mo yun. Kaya kayo guys, tumayo rin kayo sa Pilipinas. Mapupunta rin kayo ng Japan. Ako na nagsasabi sa inyo. Technique yun guys. Siguro simula nang dumating kami dito, naka-5 utot na ako. Ang tama, natawa siya. Ayun. Mga 5 utot na. Si Tony mga 4. Nakilang utot ka na? 3. Guys, 3. 3. Tama? Ayos na kami. Thank you, Osaka. Dahil mura ang iyong ticket. Kaya, ayun. Ayun lang. Picture lang kami para may post sa Facebook. Kasi, wala, sayang yung gastos kung hindi pa post sa Facebook. Oh, may sunog. Grabe. Nakaskirt sila. Tapos ako balot na balot. Ay, hindi. Dumaan lang. Dumaan lang sa peripheral vision ko. Hindi ko naman sinasadya. Pag sinadya ko yun, ako. Oh, spicy takoyaki.
Oh, takoyaki.
Daming pagkain. Pero parang umaya na kami kakain. Bye guys, see you sa Umeda Station. Punta na kami doon. Doon na kami kakain. Tsaka ang ginaw. Grabe. Ano siya, parang medyo Korea. Medyo. Pero sa Korea kasi, susunugin na yung balat mo eh. So yan, balik na kami. Punta na kami station. Umeda na kami diretso. Ayun. Bye guys. See you later. So medyo matagal-tagal akong hindi nakapag-video kasi galing kaming Osaka, di ba? Ay, galing kaming Namba. Tapos papunta kami dito sa Umeda Station. So pagdating namin dito, bumili lang kami ng pagkain doon. May 7-Eleven doon. 7-Eleven doon, bumili kami pagkain para pagkain namin sa train. And then, tinry namin pumasok. Sabi, 11:30 pa daw pwede pumasok. So, inintay namin mag 11:30 PM bago kami makapasok doon. So, we have mga 20 minutes bago mag 11:30. Ayun, dito si Tony, kumakain siya ng,
Cold.
giniginaw na. At sarap na sarap siya sa pagkaing hapon. Sarap nga. What's that?
This one is another one.
What's this?
Nai egg.
No, what do you call this?
Konbini. So good, no?
You ate 2 already? Oh, that's 2 in 1. Wow. Sarap. Ham, egg, and cheese. That's what we ate. 7-Eleven. It's really good.
Can I have one more?
Yes. That's our first Japan food. Hindi na kami kumain sa Dotonbori. Wait lang. Nahulog yung tubig. Hindi na kami kumain sa Dotonbori kasi hanggang 11:30 lang yung bus, yung train. So, dito na kami bumili ng convenience store food. Yun lang. Message kami later pagka papasok na kami, papunta sa train. Yun lang update. Bye-bye. May nilalamig na. Napabili na siya ng heat pack. It's plastic. Dito na kami sa sa platform. Alexa, temperature. We're waiting for our train here in platform 11 in Imera. So let's look for our pwesto. Chikatetsu. Hey, we have to linggo. Maglilinggo lang kami, Duolingo. Kasi may stray kami, 155. So, kailangan magtuloy-tuloy yun. How do you feel right now?
I am bloated.
Nice.
Bloated with honor and pride.
Is it init na?
No idea.
I think dili bugnaw sa sulod. I think dili bugnaw sa inside the train because it's cold man outside. When it's cold outside, it's cold on high. Chika taxi. Puta rin.
You're crazy.
I'm optimistic.
Don't say it.
And
If you say optimist, chikatetsu pa, I swear
Ba't
to
mukha ito sa gawas? It's like, asa ganun, tick. Or siya tick. What's chikatetsu?
that's Subway.
I'm trying to stop it, but it keeps on.
So, Formula 1 na car is faster than the Shinkansen?
Formula 1 na car faster than Shinkansen. Yes.
What the?
Yeah, I'm Japanese.
What did you say?
Yeah. Chikatsu. Kuko. What's kuko?
It's airport.
Airport?
What did you say? Yes.
Kuko.
What did he ask?
Chikatsu. I don't know. I just said
Is it coming up?
no, it's the train. That's the sound if the train is leaving. Ipalit si Just kana ganing gasha po na he bought like
Because
Chikatsu.
if it's on now, I can do the on now.
It's like Korea, but dili not to kasakit sa.
Bearable sa Korea, di ko kaya.
Oo, okay po. Ito, tong sasakyan namin, hindi alam nito ni na, ito yung pinili ko na train. Kasi nag-send siya sa akin ng dati. Sabi niya, gusto niya raw yung train na yun. Pag-check ko kung paano i-book yun, mahirap siya i-book. Kasi, para makabook ka dun sa train, 1 month before ng biyahe, tsaka lang kayo makakabook. So, pag-check ko, yun nga, kailangan 1 month bago mag-book para makita para makabook ng train. So, ayun, sinubukan ko. Kasi itong train na to, tawag dito, Sunrise Express. Ito na lang yung natitira na train na parang pwede ka matulog sa loob ng train, yung mga kama-kama. So, yun na lang yung last train na bumabiyahe ng ganun dito sa Japan. So, yun. Kaya mahirap siya i-book kasi siya na lang nag-iisang train eh. So, anong nangyari, 1 month before, pag magbubook ka, wala pang 1 minute full na. Wala pang 1 minute sold out na yung mga train. Ay, yung yun nga, pag-book. So, kaya siya mahirap kasi wala pang 1 minute. wala ka nang pang-book. Ay, hindi ka na makaka-book. So, yun. Magaling tayo eh. Di nakabook tayo ng train, ng kwarto dun sa loob ng train na yun. So, hindi alam ni Tony yun. Ang sabi ko kay Tony, Shinkansen. Yun yung pagkakaalam niya, Shinkansen yung sasakyan namin. Ang layo-layo ito yung itsura nitong Riles na to pang Shinkansen. Basta yun. So, yun yung kwento na. Namaya, tutur natin tayo dun sa loob ng train. So, hinihintay na lang natin dumating. It's 12:05. So, mga 20 minutes na lang dito na yung train. So, hintayin natin dumating. Tsaka yung reaction ni Tony pag nakita niya na yun yung binok natin na train at hindi Shinkansen. Ayun. Sige. Yun lang. Estonia. Naghihintay siya doon. Titik kita ang packet ako. Yan. Sunrise ito. Car 8, seat 11. Yung seat 11, yun yung kwarto. So, yung kwarto. Yung kwarto na nabook namin, or yung nabook ko, is yung double deck. Kasi yun lang yung pandalawahan. May isang pang dalawahan pero ang mahal. As in parang 12K yata yun. Mahal. Sakay. Go 11. Look for 11. 29. Down. Ayan. Yeah. Oh no, it's here. Sorry. Go.
Kailangan.
Wala na.
Oh my God, baby. I love it. Love her. I want to cry. It's so beautiful. Okay, come here. I'm gonna...
Oh, sorry. Hello.
You have a rope?
Yeah.
Ito.
I lied about the Shinkansen.
It's not a Shinkansen.
It's not a Shinkansen.
Sunrise.
It's a sleeper bus.
It's a
Sleeper
sleeper.
train.
Oh,
Sleeper train.
it's so beautiful. Okay, I'm gonna be up to taas.
Okay.
Okay, excuse me, sir.
Wait lang. We have to set up stuff. Because it's gonna move na. See?
Oh my God.
Yan yung kwarto. Double deck. Andun si Tony. Yeah.
It's so beautiful.
Yan yung view. Yung sa baba. Oo, di ba? Ayan. Napakahirap i-book nito. Wala pang 1 minute. Sold out na tong mga kwarto dito. Kaya, maswerte tayo. At nakakuha tayo ng kwarto din eh. Ayun lang. So si Tony nagre-ready na. Nagre-ready na si Tony. Matulog. Dahil pagod na kami pareho. Bye guys! See you sa Tokyo! Bye!